If you have been doubting the capabilities of Godot 4 visual scripting in game development, then you need to see these 13 amazing game projects and interactive apps that I made in Godot 4 using the Orchestrator Visual Scripting. Some of these projects are available on my itch.io page, and I have already released 2 of the game projects as a playable demo on itch.io. The links will be in the description. Now let's talk about these projects. Number 1. The Legend of Ikemba. This is my first official game demo that I released on itch.io as a complete playable game after 6 months of working on the game. The Legend of Ikemba is an African-themed endless 3D runner with an interesting game story. Feel free to download and play the game. It's simple and currently available for Windows users. Both the main game and the Godot project file is available for free, especially for those who want to study the Godot 4 visual scripting code more closely. Number 2. Treasure Robot. This is a 3D open world game that I made step by step in a 2-part tutorial series that is available on my channel. All the links will be available in the description. The game is about a robot that travels through a forest to collect bags of money while avoiding landmines. The game project file is also available on itch.io. If you want to create your own game in Godot engine from beginning to the end using visual scripting, then you need to watch this series immediately after this video. Number 3. Brick Match. This is a simple clicker game that I made, where the player has a simple task of trying to click the right brick when the name appears on the display. Getting the right brick before it changes will earn the player a point. The names of the bricks change at random intervals to make the game experience more interesting. Number 4. Interactive Book App. I made a tutorial guide on how I turned my ebook titled The Wisdom of Overcoming Temptation into this interactive book app with audio play button and other buttons to navigate your book. This project is simply a way to demonstrate the possibility of an author to transform their ebooks into an app using Godot 4 visual scripting. Number 5. Visual Novel. I use the Dialogic add-on and the Orchestrator Visual Scripting to make this amazing visual novel that features a simple discussion between 2 people. This can be expanded to create a robust storyline with multiple outcomes. Number 6. Lava City. This is a 2D platformer game where your goal is to avoid the lava enemies by jumping over them, then try picking up the coins and avoid falling into the lava lake below. The most interesting thing about this project is that I made this entire project on a YouTube live broadcast, showing all the techniques and tools that I used to develop this beautiful 2D platformer game. I will put the links to the live videos in the description. Number 7. Do Not Suffer. This is a 3D form project that I created while experimenting the possibilities of creating a floating sci-fi surfer game. This idea is still something I'm playing around with. I created it using Blender 3D modeling and animation while coding it in Godot 4 using the Orchestrator Visual Scripting. Number 8. Digital Museum. This is one of my most beloved projects. This is an interactive 3D experience where you explore a digital museum and get displays of information about different items once you get close to them. This is a simple alternative to keeping historic memories and culture for the future generation when it becomes too costly to keep it safe physically. Number 9. ArchiWalk. If you're just creating an animated architectural visualization for your client in Blender or any other 3D software, then imagine when you create an interactive 3D visualization that enables your client to explore the environment interactively instead of just watching it. This was the idea behind ArchiWalk, and I made everything using Godot 4 visual scripting. Number 10. Space Runner 3D. Imagine exploring space on a 3D spaceship while playing around with the spaceship. This is also a fun game project that I worked on to explore the power of using AI to speed up my 3D modeling creation process. Nevertheless, the interactive part of this game was made entirely using Godot 4 visual scripting. Number 11. Tunnel Runner. This is my breakthrough project in Godot 4 Visual Scripting. Immediately I completed this game, I was confident that anything was possible with Visual Scripting. This is a short 3D runner where the player runs across a tunnel while jumping over obstacles and picking up coins. The Godot project file is available for free on itch.io. This is the project that gave me the confidence to start and finish The Legend of Ikemba. Number 12. Treasure Temple. This is another fun game project that I made based on an inspiration I got from a movie. The whole idea of the game is to walk through obstacles and dangerous platforms to reach a treasure at the end of the temple. I used the phantom camera add-on for the game camera control in this project. Number 13. Tinny Fishy. This is a 2D casual game which I made based off the popular Flappy Bird game. This is the second complete playable game demo that I made in Godot 4 Visual Scripting. Put it for free on itch.io. The goal is to dodge the obstacles and progress across the screen. I have a complete breakdown video of how I made this game and it's also on my channel. So these are the 13 games and interactive projects that I made in Godot 4 using the Orchestrator Visual Scripting. So if you think visual scripting is not so useful, then these projects can demonstrate to you that it has a great potential. So, which of these projects is your favorite? Put it in the comments, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.